Hi my dear friends, in this video we are going to learn question number 4, exercise number 5. Which term of the GP is 512? So in this fourth bit we have 3 questions. I am solving one question for you, remaining 2 questions as a homework. So here first question is 2 comma 8 comma 32 and so on is a GP series. So he is asking that which term is 512 in this series. So it is the first term or second term or third term or fourth term. Which term is 512? Question is very simple. Now we will solve this question. So first you take the given series 2 comma 8 comma 32 and so on. So this is the first term, this is the second term, this is the third term. So first you write first term of the series, that is nothing but 2, and a common ratio, that is R is equal to 8 by 2, T2 by T1, that is nothing but second term by first term, A2 by A1, 2 1 time, 2 4 times. Finally I am getting the common ratio is 4. So which term is 512? We know that nth term an is equal to a into r to the power of n minus 1. So here take an is equal to 512. Think it is the last term of the series. Okay, that is a into r to the power of n minus 1 is equal to 512. So here the value of a is nothing but 2 here. Common ratio is nothing but 4. That is equal to 512. So here 2 it is in multiplication, it goes to division. So that is 4 to the power of n minus 1 is equal to 512 by 2. 2 2s are 4, 1 left, 2 5s are 10, 1 left, 6, 256, 4 to the power of n minus 1. So this is equal to 256. Just to observe here, 16 into 16 is nothing but 256. So now you can write 4 to the power of n minus 1 is equal to 16 can be written as 4 into 4, 4 into 4. So 4 to the power of n minus 1 is equal to 4 to the power of 4. So if bases are equal, powers also equal. N minus 1 is equal to 4. N is nothing but 4 plus 1. Therefore the value of n is 5. So fifth term of the series is 512. I hope you understood this question. So in this bit completely we have 3 questions. I solved one question for you, remaining 2 questions as a homework. Try to solve the remaining 2 questions in the same manner. If you have any doubt, comment in the comment section. I will try to solve the question.